Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to back up on Google Photos. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Photo app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, you have to open the app and sign in from your Google account. Now on the screen, you're gonna find Photos, Memories, Library and Search at the bottom of the screen. Well, at the center you can find your photos there. You have to long press on the photos that you want to back up. Then all you have to do is look at the little menu prompting from the bottom of your screen. There you can see options like share, add to, delete and backup. Tap on backup, then Google Photos will back up your photos. And guys, that's it. That's how you back up your photos on Google Photos. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.